Hey guys, I'm Justin from XDP, and today I'm going to be showing you the Longhorn Fab Shop Pro Grade engine stand. Longhorn Fab Shop calls this engine stand Pro Grade, but we're going to call it Ultra Heavy Duty. This engine stand is expertly manufactured and is a really well thought out product. There's no doubting that this thing can hold some serious weight. Longhorn Fab Shop has a large presence in the diesel industry, and this is shop equipment built with diesel engines in mind. Here on the engine stand, there's a 3/4 inch front adapter plate that will allow us to mount the engine specific side mount adapter. Longhorn Fab Shop has a Cummins, Duramax, and a Power Stroke side mount adapter. These adapters bolt up to each type of engine block and are made from a 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch steel. Each engine specific mount is sold separately and is a bolt-on for their series of Pro Grade engine stands. Thanks to the 1 horsepower motor and industrial gear reduction drive, we've got 360-degree access to this engine. As we've mentioned before, this engine stand is super heavy duty, and this motor design follows that. This engine rotates on a 2-inch shaft and has two 6,500-pound bearings. Rotation is easily controlled with the foot pedal. It has a forward, stop, reverse, and an on-off. Longhorn Fab makes a few different versions of this stand, including a floor mount and another with fork pockets so you can move it around with the forklift. We chose the Pro Grade engine stand with 4 1,200-pound rated casters so that it could easily roll around the shop. And that about wraps it up for the Longhorn Fab Shop engine stand. Some of the specs and dimensions may vary depending upon the model of which you choose. To find out more details about each model or to find one for your shop, check out xdp.com.